Oh, hey, snuck up on me there. Hi, I'm Scott from the Genie Company. Thanks for tuning in today to tune up your knowledge in our product. Today, we're going to focus on setting the limits on our linear actuator. Let's go have some fun. Once the operator is installed on the gate, it's very important that we set the limits. The limits on the linear actuator are magnetic reed switches, so we will have to set these manually. To help with that, we're going to turn on the limit alarm. We're going to press Cal Run and navigate up to menu option 3, press set clear to enter the mode, and then the up key to turn it on. Now we will manually open the gate to the open position. Once we get the gate in the open position, we will slide the magnetic reed switch until the alarm sounds. And then using a 10mm socket, we will set that limit module in place. Then we will manually close the gate. Once the gate is in the closed position, we will slide the close limit switch until the alarm sounds. Once the alarm sounds, we will use a 10mm socket to set that switch in place. From there, we need to then come back to the control panel, navigate to menu option 4, learn working times, and then press set clear twice for the motor to learn the working times. At this point, the operator will open and close the gate as it learns its working time. Once that's complete, your limits are now set. The operator is now ready to fine-tune the program.